Welcome back, children. Let us continue with the line-wise paraphrasing of Act 3, Scene 2, beginning from line number 131. Stefano, no monster, not I. He says, no monster, not me. I'm not afraid. That is what he's saying. Caliban, be not afeared. So he says, don't be afraid. The isle is full of noises. This island is full of noises, sounds and sweet airs. It is full of sounds, it is full of sweet tunes that give delight and hurt not, that are a source of happiness and they do not cause any harm. Sometimes 1,000 twangling instruments will hum about mine ears. He says, at times I can hear a mixed sound of 1,000 musical instruments being played together near my ears, and sometimes voices that if then had walked after long sleep will make me sleep again. And sometimes I hear voices which would send me to sleep even after I had woken up after a long sleep, will make me sleep again. And then in dreaming, the clouds methought would open and show riches. And then it is while dreaming, and sometimes in my dreams, it is revealed that the clouds would open and reveal riches that would ready to drop upon me, that would fall into my hands. That when I waked, I cried to dream again. Or on waking up from such a dream, I feel the desire to see that dream again. Stefano, this will prove a brave kingdom to me. He says, this will prove to be an excellent kingdom for me, where I shall have my music for nothing, because here I can listen to the music without having to pay for it. Caliban, when Prospero is destroyed, he says that is possible only after Prospero has been killed. That shall be by and by. So Stefano answers that he will be killed in a very short time. I remember the story. I remember what you told me about Prospero. Trinculo, the sound is going away. He says the sound of music which I was able to hear just now, it is moving away from here. Let's follow it and after do our work. Let us follow the direction in which the music is going, and afterwards we will carry out a plan. Stefano, lead monster. He says, okay monster, you walk right in front. We will follow. We both will follow you. I would I could see this tabourer. I would means I wish that I could see this person who is playing the drum, that is the tabor. He lays it on because he is playing it very fast and passionately. Trinculo to Caliban. So he tells Caliban, wilt come? Will you come? I'll follow Stefano. I shall follow Stefano. Thank you.